Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to crochet Desi Flower Coaster. For this, I am using 3 mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. Take a yarn and make a magic circle. Then make a chain of 2. Chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Then make 12 double crochets in the magic circle. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the center, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook in the center, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Continue to make 10 more double crochets in the center. Total I did 12 double crochets. Then pull the short yarn to tighten the magic circle loop. And make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Insert the hook in the first double crochet. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. To start our second row, make a chain of 2. Chain 2 does not count as a stitch. In this row, we are going to make 2 double crochets into each stitch all the way across. So make 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Two double crochets in the next stitch. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Continue to make 2 double crochets into each stitch all the way across. In the second row, you should have 24 double crochets. Then make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Make a chain and cut the yarn. To start our third row, insert the hook into any stitch, pull up the yarn, then make a chain of 7. Make a single crochet in the second chain, insert the hook in the second chain, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Then make a double crochet in the next chain. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make a treble crochet in the next 2 chains. To make a treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook in the next chain, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make 1 more treble crochet in the next chain. Then make a double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the last chain. Slip stitch in the next stitch. To make another petal, make a chain of 7. Single crochet in the second chain. Double crochet in the next chain. Treble crochet in the next 2 chains. Double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the last chain. Then make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Continue like this all the way across. Chain 7. Make single crochet in the second chain. Double crochet in the next chain. Treble crochet in the next 2 chains. Double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the last chain. slip stitch in the next stitch. Continue like this all the way across. To start our fifth row, make a slip stitch in the first 4 stitches. Insert the hook in the first stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. Insert the hook in the next stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. That's 2. Make a slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. 3 and 4. Then make a chain of 3. And slip stitch in the third stitch from top. Chain 3. In the next petal, make a slip stitch in the third stitch from the top. Chain 3. And make a slip stitch in the next petal from the top. Chain 3, slip stitch in the third stitch from the top. Continue like this all the way across. Make a slip stitch in the third stitch of next petal. Make a chain and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.